Kolkata remains our big story. One, for the brutality inflicted on the woman. Two, about a lot of other layers coming to the fore right now. Remember, in one of the big cases, there's an announcement that had come in that the director of the RJ Kar hospital was shunted out but only sent to another hospital to take over. But now explosive charges coming up against the former director. A former colleague has said that the principal who had led the RJ Kar college is a corrupt man. This is a former colleague who has spoken up about Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, saying he has taken cut for postings, for staff shifts. He used to serve liquor to some students as well, and have even resold biomedical waste to even Bangladesh sometimes, which is of course across the border. Sandeep used used syringes as well. So these are very shocking, damning allegations against the former director. Now, why former director is currently in the dock here? Because a lot of protesters had demanded his removal. He was removed from the RJ Kar, but only to be given a posting elsewhere. So not really asked to leave or in any way punished for what unfolded at the premises he was responsible about. So let's try and listen in to what this former colleague has to say.
वो बहुत ही करप्टेड आदमी है. वो आरजी कर मेडिकल कॉलेज में स्टूडेंट लोगों को फेल कराना, टेंडर ऑर्डर दे करके 20% कमीशन लेना और ये हॉस्टल वगैरह अलॉटमेंट में पैसा लेना और स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन, मतलब आरजी कर में जो भी काम होता था, पोस्टिंग हो, ट्रांसफ़र हो, हाउस स्टाफशिप हो, सब जगह वो पैसा खाते थे. सिर्फ यही नहीं, गेस्ट हाउस में जूनियर जो स्टूडेंट है उन लोगों को बैठ करके शराब वगैरह पिलाते थे और उन स्टूडेंट लोगों से आंदोलन भी करवाते थे. मतलब एक माफिया राजा बोल सकते हैं. मैंने अपनी पूरे कैरियर में इतना गंदा इंसान नहीं देखा. बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट जो डिस्पोज होता है, जैसे डिस्पोजेबल यूज सिरिंज, हैंड ग्लव, स्लाइन बोतल, ये सब जो है अपने किसी एजेंसी से देके वो रीसेल करवाते थे. इसका ट्रैफिकिंग होता था और उसमें तो बांग्लादेशी सिटीजन, जब हमने इंक्वायरी किया था तो पांचू अरबी बोल के था, ये सारा माल जो है बांग्लादेश रिसाइकिल होता था. उनके थ्रू इसका सारा पैसा वो लेते थे.
These are damning allegations, remember, at this point, because the focus now comes in on the former director of the RJ Kar Medical Hospital and College, and the fact that he was simply not punished or action against him or even questioned or pulled up by the authorities, but simply the Bengal government decided to give him another posting of another college so he can continue. The big news coming in right now is one of the former colleagues has alleged, I haven't seen a more corrupt individual to be heading an institution. Now, these are allegations, remember, I reiterate, but because it comes in from a former colleague, it's also worth taking note at this point about what was going on at this RJ Kar hospital. Was it simply about one incident? How can the man that you're looking at on your screen, the accused, who has nothing to do with the hospital, who's not a doctor, not a medical professional, so easily walk in, go into a seminar hall, take his time to brutalize a doctor on duty, a woman doctor, and not only remember the rape and murder, but the brutality that was inflicted on this young woman. Meanwhile, I have more news coming in on this. Suryagini is joining me right now. All right, Suryagini, so it appears that these are important allegations that have come in, but why do you think this would be taken cognizance of? Because many would say this is about what he's alleging simply about another director of a hospital.
The allegation that has come in, and what is important is because, many students, they were not really happy with his role, and not only at RJ Kar, but also at his previous institution, that was the Calcutta National Medical College, where he was once again, made the principal, but finally due to the High Court's, order that he should take leave and he should not join, at least for the next 3 weeks. That is not happening now. Now, secondly, and more importantly, the CBI is taking over this particular case. Today, around 10:30, the CBI officers will be visiting, will be meeting the police officials, and henceforth they will start their inquiry. It has to be seen, Pooja,